Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts.
Today we're headed to the Stuart Weitzman outlet to try on the iconic City boot. Now the City boot or other similar models of these knee-high boots were made super trendy by Stuart Weitzman, and I had tried them on previously but never really found my true fit, so we're trying again today. I did notice that there are very many variations of these boots, so if you're looking for leather or suede with a heel or without a heel, there's definitely an option for you. Now you will notice that we picked these up from the outlet store and there was a 70% off promotion going on. So these retail for $7.95, but after the promotion they come out to about $250. Now given that these boots are pretty expensive, and especially if you pick up the suede, which might be prone to getting dirtier earlier, it's definitely a great option to check out the outlet. Now it does come with a cute little Stuart Weitzman dust bag, but let's go ahead and try these on. So first I tried on a size 8, and let me tell you, I felt like my toes were being pushed into the front most tightest corner of the boot. I thought that they looked really awesome, but they were definitely too small. Next up, I tried on an 8.5 just to see if the extra length would give a little bit extra space in the toe box, and it definitely did. So I definitely recommend sizing up from your normal boot size. Normally I am a 7.5 or an 8 in street shoes, and in boots I usually tend towards the 8. So here I'm tending towards the 8.5, which would also be kind of like your designer shoe size. Now, taking a look at other variations, we also saw this cute little short boot version with a zip. So keep in mind that the City boot or most of the knee-high boots are going to have just a pull-on feature. The store's associate showed me that you can actually fold down the boot, so it's a little easier to get on instead of sliding your foot through the entire tube. But I do think that the shorter boot with a zip would be even easier to manage. Now these retailed for $5.95, so if you are looking for a shorter boot, there is another option for you. Let me know in the comments below if you have these, if you love them, if you hate them. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.